So I tell my clients that more easy the front end, the more complicated is the back end programming by our technical people. Similarly for Vibhuti, the more interesting and the way she makes it, let me tell you, there's a lot of hard work at the back. I mean, she has to do the same thing many times and put it to us in different ways so that we find it interesting and find it add examples. I mean, she has to work very hard to give us that front end. Am I right, Vibhuti?
Yes, Adarsh.
Yeah, absolutely. The kind of notes that she makes continuously, there is a reference point that she's going back to the notes. So it doesn't, constantly. After doing this 3 hours, we feel hamara ho gaya. But what is coming to us in 3 hours is so much of work that it's also helped me not just in terms of decoding the book, but as I work as an emotional intelligence coach, I aspire to move ahead in that journey. So it's I am not somebody who uh, accepts somebody as my trainer and coach very easily. So I am नहीं ये नहीं ठीक लगा वो नहीं ठीक लगा अपने आप ही आ जाता है. So but here I just felt I have been asking the universe this. I said I need somebody who's the right kind of coach. The ideologies, the principles, the way you look. I am not somebody who wants kitna numbers, count numbers and that.
I'm Sonal and I attended both Vibhuti's NLP workshop as well as this book decoding workshop. And I must say, and I touch my heart and say this, both these workshops has made me, has enabled me to, introspect and given me tools and techniques that has enabled me to live a more full life. It has helped me reach my full potential, and the tools that I have learned are something that I will practice for the rest of my life. I highly recommend these workshops to people who really want to reach their full potential. And I think both these workshops have done wonders for me, and I'm sure it'll do wonders for you as well.
I'll start with an example. I had to do my COVID test today, and from yesterday my migraine has popped up. Now I know the reason. That was fear, courtesy the book. So, and after today's class, for sure the headache is gone, and generally it doesn't goes without a pill or maybe sleeping over, but it has gone. And second thing, the whole COVID thing, I was not afraid about my health or anything. It was more about the infrastructure of the family, for the family, But since yesterday we spoke and about all the affirmations that we have learned in the book, I obviously was writing it down and practicing it. And from today, 2 ladies in the apartment have come up who said they will provide the food. Obviously, they will charge, but they will provide the food in disposables. They will leave it on the table, and everything means it's like all things are falling to places, And all I was like, okay, universe will take care. So it's not like now the situation is not like that I will not get COVID or I may not get COVID. It's not like that. It's like at least hua bhi. So things are taken care of. You don't need to be worried or feared or scared about it. And all the things I'll attribute to the book, the 10-day workshop which we have done. And more than this 10 days, the journey with you from the last 2 months, as this was my 3rd workshop. So I'll say it's about the journey, and I am making quite a lot of progress. So COVID, bring it on. It's okay.
Vibhuti, I think this book reading session is not just an ordinary book reading. And it is amazing how we discuss all the references and so many analogies, and we go into the depth detail, comparing it with other books. So it is fantastic. I mean, it is not like that I sit at home and read the book by myself. It actually makes huge, subconscious concepts. I loved it. But I'll join your next book as well.
Yes, I know you're not going anywhere.
And even if I've read it, I'll still join it. Because as I said, it is not a plain book reading. There's so much goes into it. It really forms concepts.
Yes, the decoding, and always wanted to be a part of your workshops. Have been tracking you is the word. So stalking I won't use because we don't stay in the same city, maybe. But yes, and things didn't work out till now for a variety of reasons. But when it came to this one, again, you can heal your life. So something told me that there is. I have always been a believer of universe sending me the things which are meant for me. And the minute I came to know of this book through your Instagram thing itself, it was. And yes, 15 minutes prior to the book session starting. So I remember sending you the message at 7:45. Can you please share the details? And you saying we start today at 8. And that's how me joining the session. Yes, I would definitely add to what Dr. Adarsh said is this isn't just a book reading session. The perspective, the in-depth, the understanding of the book and the relation to it in terms of your own life, that has been an eye-opener. That has been a journey. I can't sum it up in 10 days. So it doesn't feel like it's just 10 days. It feels like we've been discussing our life right from when we were children. So it's like we've lived our lives together. So and definitely I would recommend this, your book reading sessions, decoding, to all. The best part is the comfort level that you bring in. As as somebody who's decoding a book, it didn't feel like you were decoding. It felt like we all were decoding. So it's not one person's perspective given to all. It is each participant's perspective that comes to the forefront, that's the beauty I feel. Because book, though, I can read and I can take my own perspective. But here, each one of us sharing their life experiences, related, unrelated at times, and new stories and new understanding of the book. I felt I didn't just live with each one out here and you, Vibhuti. It was also like I felt so connected with Louise Hay. I felt she was one of the participants, or she was her. I almost can relate. If I have to draw, though I'm very bad at drawing, I would still make a sketch of her. Like, it feels like she was here with us during the book journey, actually sharing her personal things, what she felt while writing this book, and her life experiences. So because you connected it with other books also, so it was not just sticking to one book of hers. You went by the miracles that you talk about, expecting miracles and everything. So yeah, it's been we were not just us participants and you conducting, but I felt that even she was here with us.
Wow.
So thank you so much, and definitely looking forward to your next workshop and the book.
You Can Heal Your Life, a book decoding and learning by Vibhuti, a perfect match. A beautiful 10 days journey जिसमें I found myself every day. I found a better space. Vibhuti, very beautifully you made everyone share their emotion, and you made us comfortable to find our voice and express our feelings. So you done it, man.
Thank you.
You made us realize our patterns, which are creating the discomfort and illness in our lives. And you and of course Louise Hay, this book has made us value our thoughts, that we can change our thoughts and we can change our life, we can heal our life. I always want to improve myself, but this book learned me to approve myself, to learn myself, to love myself. So thank you, Louise Hay and Vibhuti, for conducting such a beautiful workshop. Thanks.
So every day after finishing the discussion about the book, we say what is our takeaway from the book. And trust me, today's takeaway is something it is above everything. The thing that really caught my attention and it's there on my mind is, guilt is a useless emotion. That line is just perfect for me right now, and it fits in. that why guilt? Because guilt will lead into punishment and then self-harming. So because I'm into self-harming, there's no point of guilt now. So that's it. And about the entire journey of book decoding, I would just say the book chose me. Rather than taking that credit and all that I have done something, I would just give it to the universe and the book and you. That it was an amazing journey, and for me the book chose me. And it's always about benchmarks for me, because my pattern is of standing out, all apart, stand apart, and like just make my own identity, individuality. So the thing is that if I wonder that if my healing process is started by this book, I just see a long way.
Yes.
There's a lot more coming on my way, and if this is the stepping stone, it's the perfect step that I've taken, and I'm really blessed. Thank you so much.
Thank
Who knew it from 2017 when I met you there in Dubai? Then you're meeting Aditi in Gandhinagar, and she was like, it was the best day of her life, she said. That if this is my life that I'm supposed to live, that was the best day that I spent with ma'am the entire day. And these sessions and everything, I don't know. The book chose me, and the universe had to. There is something bigger power who is like controlling us now, and I'm in safe hands.
Yes.
But for me, this book is like really, it touched me a lot, and I had my moments, that goosebump moments, where I came to know that I was the one who created. We are the ones who are creating disease in our body, and I accept and acknowledge it. Initially, the day it was like when you triggered it, it was not an easy day for me. Even the 2-3 days were not easy for me. But then I am very feeling good now, and I have stopped my medications from the last so many days. I have put it on SOS. So for me, it is like I am 100% feeling that I have been like, ye to chala hi jayega, nothing to worry about it. And for me also, because this book is really, I was just telling ki for everything now, it is in a life, like whoever is having some kind of ailment, I like, kya soch rahe? Always going in that pattern also is really like very heart touching for me. And this book is especially like, and वो जो मैंने बोला कि it is so easy कि बस खुद से कांच में बातें करो और magic create करो. And Louis, especially her, I daily, night also, mornings also, I do listen to her meditations also. So she is really very powerful, and I'm really like especially night when we listen to her meditations, we can easily go in deep sleep. The way she talks, the voice of her. So, and I can always say you are my guru and mentor, and you are making and so much of magic in my life. And even everybody surrounded by me, all the family members also can notice it. So I'm really grateful for you for conducting this workshop, and I can see many more workshops coming for me ahead. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Pooja.
And one more thing I just wanted to add, that now self-approval and self-acceptance is now the key of positive changes.